Hi friends, good evening. Welcome everyone to Wealth Wizards. This is Jagadish Chandran. It's been almost 2 quarters wherein I have posted my video. Today I just wanted to share the Nifty and Bank-Nifty and key levels to watch out for the coming sessions going forward. Nifty, after hitting a stellar move and hitting the levels of 26,250, 280 zones, strangely saw a profit booking towards the 24,630, 680 in just 8 to 9 trading sessions. Bank Nifty too, after hitting the highs of 54,500 zones, Bank Nifty too saw a profit booking towards the levels of 51,200, 51,000 zones, which was peculiar due to the global tensions and global scenario which was hovering around, and VIX too shooted up at those times. Now, after a pullback from the levels of from the lower levels, Nifty tested the highs of 25,100, 25,200 zones, and strong resistance is placed around 25,400 to 25,300 zones. Bank Nifty too, after hitting the highs of 51,000, 51,300 zones, now strong resistance is placed around 51,500 and 51,800 zones, which is very hard to cross. And anytime Nifty break below the levels of 24,680, 24,600 zones and sustaining below these levels, can see a profit booking aggravating towards the lower levels. Bank Nifty too, major supports is placed at 50,200 and 50,800 zones. Below 50,200 zones, we might see profit booking aggravating and the index sliding towards the lower levels. Great opportunities to emerge for long term investing and wealth creation. Get ready for it. That's it for now. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.